Welcome to THT Design Channel. I'm THT, who a designer and researcher of homes and living spaces. I am happy to share pictures and knowledge about the house with everyone. Here's a description of a sleek and sophisticated black and white minimalist bathroom, featuring modern furniture, sparkling fixtures, and the openness of glass elements, color palette, graphic drama. This bathroom creates a bold statement with a high-contrast black and white color scheme. Crisp white walls and a white ceiling create a clean and bright backdrop, while strategically placed black elements add depth and definition. This timeless combination allows for pops of color or metallic accents in towels or accessories, modern touches and openness. Sleek furniture. Opt for modern bathroom vanities with clean lines and flat panel doors in either black or white lacquer. Vessel sink set atop the vanity add a touch of contemporary flair. Consider a wall-mounted toilet to further enhance the minimalist look and create a feeling of spaciousness. Glass integration. Expansive glass elements play a key role in this design. Shower enclosure. A frameless glass shower enclosure showcases the beautiful tile work and creates a sense of openness. Glass shelves. Incorporate sleek glass shelves above the vanity for storing toiletries, adding a touch of lightness and maximizing the feeling of space. Glass cabinet, optional for additional storage with a modern touch. Consider a single black framed glass cabinet to display decorative towels or bathroom essentials. Textural harmony and minimalist accents, play of materials. While the color scheme is simple, incorporate textures to add visual interest. Black and white mosaic floor tiles in a geometric pattern create a dramatic base. Consider textured wallpaper with a subtle white and gray pattern on an accent wall for a touch of warmth. Minimalist touches. Keep accessories to a minimum. Opt for black matte faucets and shower fixtures for a sophisticated look. A single black and white orchid in a clear glass vase on the vanity adds a touch of elegance without overwhelming the clean lines. Framed black and white botanical prints hung above the toilet can add a touch of personality. Overall impression. This black and white minimalist bathroom with modern furniture, glass doors, and sparkling fixtures creates a spa-like retreat. The bold color contrast, clean lines, and high-quality materials exude a sense of modern luxury. The expansive glass elements promote a feeling of spaciousness and lightness. This is a perfect bathroom for those who appreciate a minimalist aesthetic, functionality, and a touch of drama. Here are some compelling reasons to consider a black and white minimalist bathroom design with modern furniture and glass doors. Aesthetics and drama. Bold statement. The black and white color scheme creates a striking and dramatic focal point. It's a timeless combination that allows for personalization with pops of color or metallic accents in towels or accessories. This design is ideal for those who appreciate a sleek and sophisticated bathroom. Enhanced cleanliness perception. The crisp white backdrop and dark elements create a perception of enhanced cleanliness, ideal for a bathroom environment. Functionality and benefits. Modern appeal. Clean lines of modern furniture. Sparkling fixtures and expansive glass elements reinforce the contemporary aesthetic. This design is perfect for those who appreciate a minimalist approach and functionality in their bathroom. Spacious feel. The black and white color palette, combined with the openness created by glass doors and shelves, makes even a small bathroom feel larger and brighter. The light reflects off the white walls and bounces through the glass, creating a sense of airiness. Easy maintenance. Minimalist design with clean lines means less surface area for dust and grime to accumulate. This can significantly reduce cleaning time and effort. Black fixtures can also hide water spots more effectively than lighter finishes. Improved light distribution. The use of glass allows natural light to penetrate deeper into the bathroom, reducing dependence on artificial lighting and creating a more energy-efficient space. Additional considerations. Balance is key. While black and white create a bold contrast, ensure a balance to avoid an overwhelming feel. Use white as the dominant color for walls and larger fixtures, and incorporate black through accents, furniture, or hardware. Texture for visual interest. Although the color scheme is simple, incorporate textures to add depth and intrigue. Consider textured wallpaper on an accent wall, mosaic floor tiles, or a unique bath mat. Glass considerations. Frameless versus framed. Frameless glass showers offer a more open and modern look, but framed enclosures can be more budget-friendly and easier to maintain. Privacy needs. If privacy is a concern, consider frosted or patterned glass for the shower enclosure or lower portion of a bathroom window with a glass block upper section. A minimalist black and white bathroom with modern furniture and glass doors offers a perfect blend of aesthetics and functionality. It creates a dramatic, spacious, and modern bathroom environment that promotes a clean, luxurious feel and maximizes natural light. This design is ideal for those who appreciate a bold statement, a focus on functionality, and easy maintenance. Here's a roadmap to transform your bathroom into a minimalist haven in black and white, featuring modern furniture, sparkling fixtures, and the openness of expansive glass elements. 1. Assess your space and needs. Measure up. Grab a tape measure and sketch a detailed layout of your bathroom. Include dimensions of walls, windows, existing plumbing locations, toilet rough-in, sink drain, doorways, and any architectural features. Consider the location of your shower or bathtub and its potential impact on where the vanity can be placed. Declutter ruthlessly. Minimalism thrives on less. Donate, discard, or relocate toiletries, cleaning supplies, and other bathroom items you no longer need or use. This will free up space in cabinets and on shelves, allowing the clean lines and black and white theme to shine. 2. Creating the black and white canvas, walls and ceiling. Choose a crisp white paint shade for the walls and ceiling. Flat or eggshell paint finishes are ideal for a minimalist look, as they minimize imperfections and create a clean, smooth appearance. 3. Selecting modern furniture and fixtures. Modern vanity. Opt for a modern bathroom vanity with clean lines and flat panel doors. Decide between black or white lacquer for the vanity based on the overall balance you want to achieve. Vessel sink sitting atop the vanity add a contemporary touch. Consider a wall-mounted toilet to save floor space and enhance the minimalist look. Sparkling fixtures. Select black matte or chrome faucets, shower heads, and towel racks for a modern and sophisticated look. 4. Maximizing openness with glass, shower enclosure. Decide between a frameless or framed glass shower enclosure. Frameless offers a sleek, modern look, while framed enclosures can be more budget-friendly. Glass shelves. Install sleek glass shelves above the vanity for storing toiletries and other bathroom essentials. This maximizes the feeling of space and keeps the design light. Glass cabinet. Optional. Consider a single black framed glass cabinet to display decorative towels or essential toiletries, adding storage with a modern touch. 5. Textural touches and minimalist accents. Floor tiles. Black and white mosaic floor tiles in a geometric pattern can create a dramatic base. Consider alternative options like large format matte black or white porcelain tiles for a more contemporary look. Accent wall. Optional. Add a touch of warmth and visual interest with textured wallpaper in a subtle white and gray pattern on an accent wall. Minimalist touches. Keep accessories to a minimum. Black and white botanical prints framed in black hung above the toilet can add personality. Opt for a simple black vase with a single white orchid on the vanity for a touch of elegance. Bonus tips. Inspiration boards. Create a mood board on Pinterest or gather magazine clippings to visualize your dream bathroom. Focus on minimalist black and white bathrooms with modern furniture. Glass doors and sparkling fixtures. Start small, don't feel pressured to overhaul everything at once. Begin with painting the walls, decluttering, and replacing the hardware on existing cabinets or fixtures. Gradually update the vanity, shower enclosure, and other elements over time. Consult a professional. Optional. Consider consulting a bathroom designer, especially if your space has an awkward layout, complex plumbing considerations, or you need help finding the perfect balance between black and white elements and maximizing storage solutions. Remember, this is your bathroom, a sanctuary for relaxation and rejuvenation. Design a space that reflects your style and promotes a sense of clean, modern luxury. Embrace the contrast of black and white, soften it with textures, and allow natural light to be a key design element. Please comment below to share your favorite home design style. In addition, you can refer to some images and videos about designs on my channel to get more ideas for your home. Thanks for watching our video. Subscribe to the channel to follow the latest design trend videos. Don't forget to like and share the video if you like it.